COVID-19 antigen rapid test, self-testing. Wash your hands in soapy water and dry thoroughly. Open the box. Check the components before use. Read the instructions for use before using the test. Carefully tear off the sealed foil film on the extraction reagent tube. Gently press the tube through the perforated hole in the box. Open swab package at stick end and take swab out. Gently insert the entire tip of the swab, approximately 2.5 cm, into the left nostril. Firmly brush the swab against the inside of the nostril in a circular motion 5 times or more. Do the same for the right nostril. Insert a nasal swab into the tube, which contains the extraction reagent. Rotate the swab at least 5 times while pressing the swab tip against the bottom and the sides of the tube. Let the tip of the swab soak in the tube for 1 minute. Remove the swab while squeezing the sides of the tube against the swab to release the liquid from the swab. Cover the tube with the provided cap tightly and insert the tube back into the box. Open a sealed pouch and take out a test cassette. Hold tube vertically over sample well, not at an angle. Add 3 drops from the tube into the sample well by gently squeezing the sides of the tube. Start the timer. Read the test result at 15 to 20 minutes. Do not read the result after 20 minutes. Positive result. 2 lines appear. One color line appears at a control region, and another appears at a test region.
Contact your state or territory coronavirus testing services to get a laboratory PCR test as soon as possible and follow local guidelines for self-isolation to avoid spreading the virus to others.
Negative result. One colored line appears at a control region and no line appears at a test region.
Even if you get a negative result, you still need to follow all public health advice on limiting the spread of COVID-19. Please contact your state or territory coronavirus testing services to get a laboratory PCR test if you develop symptoms or symptoms are persisting. If you suspect an infection, it is recommended that you repeat testing after 1 to 2 days, as the virus cannot be precisely detected in all phases of an infection.
Invalid result. Control line fails to appear.
If a C line does not appear, you need to retest with a new test cassette or contact your state or territory coronavirus testing services to get a laboratory PCR test.
Collect all parts of the test kit and place in a waste bag that can be placed in the general waste. Wash your hands thoroughly after handling.